Hi, Carin.
Oh my god! Hi, Bob!
Look what I've got. I'm a superhero.
Okay, Bob. You look so funny. Come in. Hey, Bob. Would you like to have breakfast with me? I'm making egg benedict for today.
Sure, Carin. I love egg. I can eat a whole elephant. Let's decorate the house to surprise your mom. I've already brought my stuff, Carin.
Sure, but we have to wait until Mom goes out.
I'm starving. Are you done yet?
I'm done. Let's eat. Carin, Bob, I'm out. Stay home and be nice. Bye, Mom. See you. Yes, finally we can do it. What can we do with these stoves?
We can do this.
Oh, it's amazing.
Let's do it, Carin. Do you want to be Spider Girl? I can help you.
Really? But I want to be Spider-Man's girlfriend. It's fun.
Easy peasy.
Wow, so beautiful. Mom's home. Oh, how can we explain to her? The house is so messy and we are wearing costume.
Do you think Mom will get angry?
Oh no, what should we do? Oh my god, what on earth? What happened?